In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove your WhatsApp account from other devices. You can simply log out your WhatsApp on other untrusted devices in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your WhatsApp. On your settings page, select the option of linked devices right here. On this page, you will see all devices that have access to your WhatsApp account. The best part is you can also see the date and time when they had access to your account. To remove a device, just tap onto it. You will see the option of Logout device. It will automatically get deleted from your account. Whenever someone links any device to your WhatsApp, they will have full access onto your account. They can send or delete messages, share your photos, and also chat with anyone in real time on your WhatsApp account. Make sure to add a two-step verification on your account to avoid such scenarios. That's how easy it is to remove devices that are logged into your WhatsApp account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.